How to withdraw money from stake. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to withdraw money from stake. Ensure your email is verified and any required KYC is completed before initiating a withdrawal. Now, log into Stake, click the wallet icon, or navigate to Wallet, and select Withdraw in the dashboard. Choose the cryptocurrency you want, select the appropriate blockchain network, and enter your external wallet address. Then, enter an amount at or above the minimum withdrawal limit for that coin, and review the network fee that Stake will deduct. Here, confirm the transaction by entering your 2FA code or verification code sent to your email. Monitor the withdrawal in transaction history and expect funds to arrive within minutes. Sometimes up to 30 minutes, depending on network conditions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.